Hi, I am Mahendra Gadila, DL in Physics, working at TTWRDC, MEN, Maripeda, Mehboobaad. Now I am going to discuss logic gates. What is logic gate? What is the basic information about the logic gate? Actually, the term logic is applied to the digital circuits used to implement logic functions. Several kinds of digital the logic circuits are the basic elements. So, which is the using from these elements such as a digital systems as a computers, and as well as the lines connected to each symbols are the inputs and outputs. But the inputs are on the left of each symbol and the output is the on the right side of the symbol. How can define to the logic gate? A circuit performs a specific logic operations such as to using of the two gates, that is AND gate or OR gate. So whatever it may be, a circuit that performs as a specific logic operation is called as a logic gate. Now, what is the inverter and how many essential parts of the logic gates? The next one is inverter. What is inverter? The inverter means it performs the operation is called as a inversion or complementation. So the NOT operation changes one logic level to the opposite of the logic level. For example, when the input is low, the output is high. That is the quite opposite. That is the input is low, the output is high. When the input is high, the output is low. So the inverter changes one logic level to the opposite of the level. But in terms of the bits, the changes A 1 to A are is nothing but 0 and 1 by using of the binary digits. So this is about the truth table of inverter. The input 0, that means low, the output will be high, that means 1. For example, let us take the input is high, that is 1. Now the output is low, that is 0. So this is the logical expression of inverter. Now x is equal to A dash. The next one, this is the logical, the symbol for NOT gate. Do you know A and A dash? The below diagram is, this is a NOT gate and the operation of the NOT gate. Next one, basically, do you know the logic gates are 5 types: AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, and NOT gate. So the logic gates is the logical operation using from the basic information AND and OR gates. So that is the first one is the AND gate. So what is the AND gate? An AND gate can have two or more inputs. Two or more inputs and performs what is known as a multiplications. That means in this gate having two or more inputs, not only the specific of the only one input or one output, two or more inputs, and it will performs from the a multiplication of the symbolic the logical operations, and the output of AND gate is high when all inputs are high, otherwise all outputs are low. So only one condition it will be high of the outputs. When then the output of AND gate is high. When all the inputs are high, otherwise all outputs are low. Only this is the one a specific the operation of the output will be high. Now the operation of and logic gates of the AND gate. An AND gate produces a high output only when all the inputs are high. That means, do you know, observe from the truth table, inputs and outputs, A and B are the two are inputs, X is the output. When A is 0 and B is 0, that means if the two inputs are low, then the output is also low. And A means the input, one of the input will be low, the second input will be high, that is 1, but the output also 0, that means low. Now A is 1, that means high, and B is 0, low. So the inputs of the two inputs, one is high, the other one is low, but the output is low. And if the two inputs A and B are high, now the output also will be high. That means the output of AND gate produced from the high when all the inputs are high, otherwise then remaining will be low. So what is the basic purpose? The AND gate to determine the when certain conditions are the simultaneous of the true. That means this is it produces from the a high on its outputs if the two inputs are high. Now this is the truth table and logical symbol of the AND gate. This diagram shows the logical operation of the symbolic of AND gate. This is a expression from the logic expression from the in this gate. It is a logic expression is X is equal to A and B, then the A and B is the two inputs, X is the output. So the shows from the this expression of the AND gate. The next one, the OR gate. The OR gate. OR gate can have two or more inputs and performs what is known as logical addition. In previous gate, multiplication, this is the addition of the logical operation of OR gate. Okay. So that means the output of OR gate is low when all inputs are low. Are you clear? The outputs of OR gate is low when all inputs are low, otherwise all outputs are high. So what is the truth table about the OR gate? So this is the operation of an OR gate, the logical symbol and the table of OR gates. Now observe from this table, if A and B is the two inputs, it will be low and low, that means 0 and 0. Then the output is 0. The output is 0. And the inputs, one is low, other one is high, then the output also will be high. And as well as one of the inputs, that is the first input, nothing but A is high and B is 0, the output also will be 0 or high. If the two inputs are high, the output also high. That means only the two inputs are A and B will be low, the outputs also X is equal to low. Remaining three conditions, that is one input low, that means A is low, B is high, or B is low, A is high, or if the two A and B will be high, then in these three conditions the output will be high. Okay, that means only one of the way, that is the two inputs are low, the output will be low. Other than any one of the input will be high, the output is also high, and two inputs also high, the output also will be high. So this is the logical operation of an OR gate and the symbol and see about from the truth table. The circuits of the logical operation of in this gate and expression from the in this gate. This is a addition of the logical expression. Okay. In the previous gate, AND gate is a dot B means that is a multiplication of that gate. But in this logical expression is addition, X is equal to A plus B. Okay. Now discuss about from the AND gate. The AND gate. The AND gate is one of the popular logic elements because it can be used as a universal gate. The NAND gate can be used in a combination to perform the AND and OR gate. So NAND gate means the combination of the two gates, that is AND A and AND plus OR. The addition of these two gates or OR, the combination of AND and OR gates is known as a NAND gate. So what is the universal gates? Is nothing but NAND gate is a universal gate, and it will be a inverter of the operations. The NAND gate is constructed by the attaching of a NOT gate at the output of the AND gate. That means the output of AND gate, okay, that means it will be AND and OR nothing but NAND gate. So the output of the AND gate, it will be is called as a hence NOT and AND gate. Okay. Now the NAND gate has two or more inputs but only one output. Output will be only one. but the inputs are 2 or more, 2, 3, 4, 5, what it may be, but only one output. When the condition of the outputs will be inputs are high, that means the NAND gate, the output will be low when all the inputs are high. Otherwise, all outputs are the high. So what is the truth table and operation of NAND gate? This is a logical symbol and truth table of NAND gate. If A and B is the two inputs, A and B is the two inputs, X is the output, X is output. A is 0 and B is 0. That means if the two inputs are low, then the output will be high. A is 0, B is 1. That means one output will be low, the second one input will be low, the second input will be high, otherwise the output also will be high. The third condition, if the one of the input A is high, B is 0, that means low, then the output will be high. And if the two inputs are high, so in these condition, the output will be low. Otherwise, if the two inputs are low or one is low, one is high, that's why the output will be high. But only one condition, that is the two inputs are high, the output will be low, that is nothing but 0. Okay, this is a logical operation, the circuit diagrams about from this gate and logical expression from the NAND gate. X is equal to AB and what is the operation of and expression from these gates about from the by using of two inputs. Now NOR gate. What is NOR gate? The NOR gate, like the NAND gate, NOR gate means it is also used from the logical element, because it can be also used as a universal gates. So do you know what are the universal gates? NAND gate and NOR gates are the two gates are called as a universal gates. How can constructed or what is the combination of these gates? So it is the combination of AND and OR and inverter of the operations. NOR gate is the combination of NOT gates at the output of the OR gate. That means NOT and OR. By using of these two gates, it will be constructed as a NOR gate. Okay. Hence, the NOR gate, and that means the NOT gate of the output of the connection from the OR gates, it will be called as this type of gate is known as a NOT OR gate. It is also two or more inputs, but only one output. So, what is the logical symbol and truth table about from the NOR gates? So this is the logical symbol and the operation of NOR gates, and what is the table if the two inputs A and B is the two inputs. If the two inputs are low antunnam, that means 0 and 0 are low. So then the output will be high. If one of the input A is 0, that means low, B is 1, that is high, then the output will be 0, that is low. The third condition, if the input A is high, B is 0, then output also 0, that is low. If the two inputs are high, then output will be low. So in this gate, only one of the way, that is two inputs are low, the two inputs are low, that means 0 and 0, then it will be, output will be high, so that is 1. Other than or otherwise, the remaining three situations or three conditions, the operation of this gate, it will be producing from the output will be low. So this is the operation of NOR gates and the logical operation of the diagrams and expression of the NOR gate. This is also the addition of this expression of this gate, the inputs of A and B, and what is the 1 0 0 0, this is the outputs of a NOR gate. The next one is the exclusive OR gate. The exclusive OR gate, its constructor, we cannot construct from the XOR gates, only using from the three inputs of the XOR gate. Exclusive OR gate means XOR gate. So this is a graphical symbol, a similar that of the OR gate, but it will be except for the additional a curved line on the input side, but it will the two ways of the inputs, only it can have only from the two inputs. But if the both two inputs are low or high, it produces the output will be low, that means 0. Otherwise the produce from the high. This is logic symbol of XOR gate. Only two inputs are low, that is 0 and 0. A is 0 and B is 0. Otherwise the remaining three situations, it will be, the outputs will be 0 or 1. The first one is, if the two inputs are low, that is 0 is 0. If the two inputs are high, this is also, the output will be 0. That means in this, the special case of XOR gate, if the two inputs are high or if the two inputs are low, these two situations, the output will be low, that is 0. Otherwise one input will be low, the another input will be high, that means A is low, B is high, or B is low, A is high. If these two situations, the outputs will be high, that is 1. This is the logical expression of this gate. Next one is exclusive NOR gate or XNOR gate. The exclusive NOR gate is the complement of exclusive OR gate. Which gate? This is a exclusive of the, that means XOR gates. Simplicity, it is a XOR gate, the complement of XOR gate. So, as indicated by the a small circle out in this output side of the a graphic of the a symbol. What are the inputs of this gate? So, it has taken and only 2 inputs. So, what is the situation of or logical operation of, and what is the truth table about in this gate? Now, observe the symbol and this table. Now, if 2 inputs, do you know A and B is the 2 inputs. If 2 inputs, this will be low, the output also low. One of the input A is low and B is high, that is also the output will be low, that is 0. And one of the input will be high, A is 1, that is high, and B is 0, that is low, but in this situation also the output will be 0. Only one condition of this table, if the 2 tables of A and B have the 2 inputs A and B, if the 2 inputs, it will be high, that is 1 and 1, the output also produced from the high, that is 1. Otherwise, the remaining 3 situations, it will be the output produce only 0, that is low. Okay, thank you.